Whoa!
I'm blind.
We're standing on an elephant.
Oh no.
So what's going on here?
Huh.
Tell me. What do you see?
I see elephants and
What's
I
up
see
here right over your head? Watch out! It's gonna fly over you.
a plane,
It's a drone.
a drone.
So Air Shepherd is a really cool organization. They're actually creating drones to do surveillance over all these lands in Africa to watch out for poachers.
Cool.
So what do you think about poachers?
Horrible.
You know, we gotta like stop them somehow.
Right.
But we shouldn't mess them up, right? Like we gotta use good ways to help them out.
Yeah, if you're using violence to stop violence, you're really not helping the cause, are you?
It doesn't work, especially when we're trying to help animals. Elephants, elephants are awesome. Have you ever seen an elephant in real life?
In the circus.
Oh,
And that's always kind of sad because
no. You gotta
they're
go
all mopey.
You gotta go take care of an elephant sometime. They're so much fun.
Okay,
Like,
I want to ride one.
Oh, they're so awesome. They're like gentle giants. But in Africa right now, there's all these poachers, you know, like going around killing the elephants and taking the ivory and selling it in China and all over the world, right? So these drones are flying around. They're watching actually the migration patterns of the drones are monitoring the migration patterns and flying where they are. And guess what? Like poachers are like, they're looking at these like drones that are flying around and they're like, whoa, I don't want to shoot this thing because they're recording them.
Yeah.
How cool that is.
You're on candid camera.
It's true. Totally on candid camera. And they're not going to mess around with that.
Yeah.
Wow, how awesome is that?
Yay,
Did
drones.
you know about this?
No, I didn't.
Now you
I don't watch the news.
So, and you know, drones get a bad rep, right? Like, drones get a really bad rep around the world.
Do tell.
I mean, you know, people think that they, like, you know, can do surveillance and all this stuff, blah, blah. But here's an example of them doing something really great in the world.
Yeah.
We're actually stopping the innocent slaughter of amazing creatures.
Yay.
So we can even use this practice maybe in places around the world where humans are getting slaughtered too, right? How good is that?
Amazing.
All right, let's keep talking good.